In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to transfer Notion page to another account. If you're moving a page from one Notion account to another, the quickest, most reliable method is to briefly publish the page, copy its link, and duplicate it into the destination account. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, step by step. First, open Notion and select the page you want to move. Make sure you have full access to it, since only owners or editors with permission can publish and duplicate pages. Next, look to the top right of the page and click Share. This opens the sharing panel where we'll enable a temporary public link. In the sharing panel, click Publish. Notion may show a confirmation screen with a few options. That's expected. Go ahead and click Publish again to confirm. Your page is now available via a public link. Remember, this is just temporary so we can bring it into the other account. With the page published, click the copy link icon to copy the public URL to your clipboard. If you ever see that the link doesn't load later, double check that publishing is still enabled. Now switch to a browser tab where you're signed into the Notion account you want to move the page to and paste the link into the address bar. Hit enter to open the public version of the page under that account. At the top right of the public page, click the duplicate icon. Notion will prepare a full copy, including subpages and databases, so give it a moment if the page is large. When prompted, select the workspace you want to add this copy to. This ensures the page lands in the correct account. Finally, choose Add to Private. The duplicated page will appear in the private section of that workspace where only you can see it. From there, you can reorganize it, move it inside other pages, or share it with teammates as needed. That's it. You've transferred the page into your other account. A quick note, the duplicate is independent from the original, so edits won't sync between them. If any databases were included, they're copied as new databases in the destination workspace. If something doesn't appear, refresh Notion and check that you duplicated while signed into the correct account. After confirming everything looks good, many people turn off public sharing on the original page for privacy.